Alright, in step 2, we were able to get our main bracket put on the machine. That set us up to grab our tensioner arm out of the box, set the tracking lever into the neutral position, and use the included 2 bolts and washers to attach the tensioner arm to the main bracket. Now with these 2 bolts, we're simply going to run them up hand tight, because in a future step we'll actually make our final adjustment to this main tensioner arm. So once that's been done, we're going to take a look at what it takes to adapt the drive pulley to the bench grinder. Many models have different size shafts, but what we're going to find in the US is that a 5/8 shaft is by far the most common. So the drive pulley has been bored to 5/8, so no adapters are needed. However, if you have a machine, typically a smaller 6-inch half horsepower type of bench grinder, you may need to take this 1/2-inch steel bushing, press it into your drive pulley to fit onto the shaft of your unit. Now, just like we have accommodations for 5/8 and half on the drive pulley, we have the same thing for the washer stack that will go behind the pulley. So in the case of this example, we've got a 5/8 shaft, so we're going to take that bell washer, slide it on, and give it a quick spin to make sure it doesn't interfere with any of the bolt heads that are inside that multi-tool area. If so, just stack a washer, again, in this case 5/8 opening, and then our bell washer to give us the appropriate spacing that we're going to need. Now, one note is on our 4-inch models, many times they're powered by large 1.5 horsepower machines that use maybe a 3/4 inch or even a 1-inch shaft. So we've included a bunch of extra material in this die cast piece that will allow you to bore that to a 3/4 or 1-inch hole, and there's plenty of material there without hurting the drive pulley at all. You'll do the same thing with your washer stack to fit over top of that larger grinder shaft, but that will allow you to use the multi-tool on a machine that does not have a 5/8 or a 1/2-inch shaft.